is a monument to Lenin in Kolpino, greeting you when you arrive from Saint Petersburg to Kolpino. And huge differences. There is no traffic like in Saint Petersburg. There's obviously a bus station, lots of buses over there, and you can see they are the same blue buses as in Saint Petersburg. That means probably Saint Petersburg is responsible for the public transport here. Let's take a closer look to Lenin. Welcome to Kolpino. I'm Igor in Russia. In this video I'm exploring the municipal city of Kolpino in a 30-minute drive from St. Petersburg by train. First time here, don't know what to expect. Feels already cool. The weather is awesome. In Finnish, the city, since I'm also speaking Finnish, not in this video though, the place is called in Finnish Kolpino. It's a municipal city in Kolpinski district of federal city of Saint Petersburg, 26 kilometers southeast from Saint Petersburg. In 2010, the population here was 140,000. Probably it has gone up many times, not many times, but probably substantially. There's, for what I know, I just want to film the real life here, but some sites as well. There's a lot of beautiful churches here and something very Finnish as well. Leave that for another video though. Stay tuned. There's a memorial devoted to victims of the World War II with 888 Soviet soldiers there. The city was founded in 1722, so it's an old city. A little bit late after St. Petersburg, which was founded in 1702-03, and it was granted the town status in 1912. It was one of the chief ironworks of the crown in Russia. The city was also home to an iron foundry of the Russian Admiralty. A sacred image of Saint Nicholas in the Trinity Church is visited by numerous pilgrims, Orthodox pilgrims, on May 22nd every year. During the Great Patriotic War, Kolpino factory workers formed Izhora Battalion, part of the militia. During the construction of the new residential building, a mass grave was discovered in Kolpino. 888 soldiers and officers of the Red Army were buried in the mass grave in that cemetery. They fell in September 1941. So it has three twin towns: Druskininkai, Lithuania, Huai'an in China, and Rauma in Finland. Short story about Kolpino. Let's keep on exploring this awesome city. At least it feels already cool. First things we see is a monument to Lenin. Somebody is actually rowing over there. It says, "We are always the first." Not many people.